In a market like this, though, when people just got in the market, you talk about buying the dip a lot. So if everyone else is just selling them because, oh, it's got a high PE ratio, they sell, the dollar. You know these companies. You've made it a point to know and understand these companies. Is that one of the things that helps you buy the dip?
Absolutely. So when I say buy the dip, I don't say just shoot in the dark. I say set buy limit orders at key psychological levels, because the market could dip to no matter how low it can go. But depending on your risk tolerance, this is the reason why people are panicking, because they get into the stock market, they get into investing without knowing why they're investing. They're just investing because they heard it from you, but they didn't go and say, what is their risk tolerance? Risk tolerance is not just your willingness to take a risk, is your ability and your certainty about that asset. If you're certain about this asset, even if it's going down, right, you are not gonna panic.
Right. So I got less than a minute to go. And by the way, I'm thrilled to see you. First time we've ever met face to face. Do you have a list now of names that you're looking at? I mean, in this kind of carnage, every time I see a name go by on a tape that I love, and it's like almost 40% cheaper than it was a few months ago, I start to salivate a little bit.
So what is on my list may not be right for you. The reason why I have my list is because I'm either customers of those companies. I have about 86 assets in my stock portfolio. Some of them are kind of riskier takes because of my knowledge in that field, or somebody that I know's knowledge in that field, and I'm taking a little bit risk in that. Sure. And then I have assets that I'm certain that they're not going to go anywhere in the next 10 years, 25 years, even if inflation is going to go to the roof or interest rates is going to go to the roof.
Are those hedges?
I hedge my portfolio all the time. Yes.
All right. The book, $1 Million Family Secrets. You've won awards. You've been lauded. And by the way, it's already a USA Today and Wall Street Journal bestseller. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
See you soon.